Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn Huffman coding. So let's solve a question. In the question, we are given the characters that might be in a string and their frequencies. So for that, first we will do is that we will make all nodes for all the characters given to us with along with writing their frequencies. Now what we have to do is choose the smallest nodes and then add them and make a new node like this. We chose the smallest node that were 12 and 12 because they are the smallest from all the frequencies, and then we added them to make 24. A new node is created. Now we have 17, 24, 27 and 32. The smallest of these are 17 and 24, so we will add them. Now basically we have to keep repeating this process until we get the last node. So we have now 41, 27 and 32. The smallest from the remaining are 27 and 32. So we will add 27 and 32, which gives us 59. Now only two nodes are left, 59 and 41. So we will add them to make the last node. The last node is created. Now what you have to do is you have to either mark 0 and 1 or 1 or 0. Better start with 0 and 1. Choose every node and then mark its children with 0, one children 0 and other with 1. Like this. Like I gave the first children 0 and the second children 1. Next I am going to give it to 41. The first children I gave 0 and then 1. You have to keep the same sequence in all the nodes. In the same way I have marked all the nodes, you have to route from this top node to all other nodes. So let's start with A. If I move from 100 to A, the route is 0 and 0. And then if I move to B, the route will be 0, 1, 0. And this way what we have to do is generate codes for all the nodes. So for A the code will be 0 and 0, and then for B it will be 0, then 1, then 0. So in this way we got the code for A 0, 0 and the code for B 0, 1, 0. And in the same way we will calculate the code for all. So you have to move from the top to down. For C it will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For D it will be 1, 0. And for E it will be 1, 1. Now you have got the encoding and codes for all the nodes, but you have to find average bits so that you can match the answer if someone have used 1 and 0 instead of 0 and 1. So for calculating average bits, what you have to do is you have to multiply the number of bits of each with the frequency. First let's do this step. So the number of bits for A was 2 and its frequency was 17, so I multiplied it to get 34. Then for B it will be 36, then C same 36, D it will be 2 multiplied by 27, 54, 2 into 32, 64. Now what you have to do is add all these answers to get the average bits. We will add all them. So average bit we got 24. So this is your final answer.